Plant managers want to keep package production lines moving, so switching to a new adhesive is often avoided. But what if making a switch didn't mean extensive downtime or equipment maintenance? With Kaizen, trialing and implementing a new and better adhesive is easy. Kaizen runs seamlessly over existing adhesives already in your equipment. No line stoppage or equipment purging is needed. Kaizen also improves worker safety and offers easy handling, and it enables further production line optimizations such as faster line speeds, reduced pop opens, and decreased equipment maintenance. So what are you waiting for? Try Kaizen today and get the comfort and security you want and the efficiency your production lines need.